Snowstorm.
Send it in the box.
It's a good moving chair. When else are you going to move? Well, listen to me. You got a good day coming up. Nice to meet you. You got a party. Big party. You can't have you whining, okay?
Turn around. Come on, turn around. Stay right there, Evan. Remember, let's go. Evan, drop back. Turn around.
What kind of chair is
Evan,
this?
step up. Get in front of him. Come on, the ball's coming right there. Let's go. Get back now. Get back. Back. Greg, get back. Hey, the ball's there. Go in a little. Pinch in. Come on.
Back on defense.
Come on, Mark, you ready?
Look at Matthew. Turn and go. Dribble. Ah, Matthew.
Get to the ball, Evan. Get to the ball.
Get more.
Oh, Jesus. Turn around. Ball coming to you, Evan. Turn around, watch the ball.
Come on.
Stop the
Pick him
ball.
up. That's it.
Good, Andrew. Go for it. Good.
Great.
Good job. Morning, Evan.
Come on.
Nice throw.
Evan. Hey, Greg, in the box. Go take that. You take that. Hey, Greg. Put it in the box. Matthew, leave it there. Leave it. Hey, Mitch. Hey.
Mark the guys on this team.
Turn around, face the ball. Step up.
Cheers, Andrew.
Let it go.
Let it go.
It's not going. Look at Andrew.
Come on, Greg.
Good job.
Evan, get in the middle. Drop in the middle.
Go. Good job. With it, guys. Nice, Evan.
Good job, Evan.
Nathan! Back there. Let's go. Hurry up.
Nice job, Ev.
Hey, Mr. Players behind you. Let's go. Look at number 6. Get behind them. Take your time. Bring it up.
Oh, fuck.
Down the line. Nathan, drop in the middle. Back, quick. Tillman, behind him. 6. Top 6.
Let him get behind you.
Get out of there.
Evan, move closer to the ball.
Drop back, Nathan. Andrew, step up. Andrew, get up. Down Down the line, Evan, down the line. Keep going. Go, Mark, get up. Hi, Mark, get up.
Mark, fast, up.
Go down the line.
Oh, nice.
Evan.
Move, Evan.
Good trap. Good.
Good, good.
Nice way to stay with it.
That's it.
Pass it, Evan. Evan, you gotta pass it.
If he's dribbling the ball, he's not passing it. How's that offside?
I just don't get it. I don't understand the offside one. Evan, get up.
To your left.
Oh.
Sorry, Mark, you okay? Alright, get back, get back. Turn around, face the ball. Now, in front of 15. Evan, match.
Get it.
That's it. Get in the box, Mark, get in the box.
Evan,
Evan, move.
Go to go.
Shoot. Good shot.
Get back. Nice shot, get back. Drop back, Evan.
Go, guys.
stop the ball, Evan. Stop the ball.
He's off. He's off. Yeah, he called it. Offside, guys. Let's go. It's our ball.
Evan, turn around. It's your ball.
Play him quick. Right here, Matthew. Andrew. Play Andrew. Down the line.
Oh, good work, Matthew.
Down the line.
Whoa.
Good defense, Green.
Our ball.
Good defense, Green.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Come on.
Mark, get in the box.
Evan, get down there.
Stay right here, boys. Stay right here. Straight behind you. Raise your head.
You got it. Get.
Nathan, drop.
Nice. Get up there,
Evan. Get in there, Evan.
Hamish, Matthew back. And Nathan behind him. Mark. You're coming back. No, back.
Hold your hand.
Come on here. Matthew, drop. Go, Matthew, drop.
Go. Andrew, go.
Evan, get in there. Snowstorm, get up there.
Get back, Andrew. Matthew, drop. Shoot.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on. Keep the pressure on.
Corner. Evan, take that. Relax, Evan. Relax. Take your time.
We're going to have 12 touchdowns.